Alright, so I'm going to factory reset this Kwikset 888. How you're going to do that is you're going to take this battery packet out right here. You're going to see two buttons down here. You're going to have a program button, or an A button and a program button. The program button is what you're going to want to click. So how it'll work is you'll hold this program button for 30 seconds as you're dropping the battery pack back in. So as you can see here, I'm holding that program button, I drop the battery back in, and then I'm going to hold this button here for 30 seconds. It's a true 30 seconds, so if you don't think it's going to go, just wait a little bit and you'll hear it beep. When it beeps, that's when I'm going to take my thumb off there, and I think it flashes red 3 to 4 times. I typically do it on the second time, but you're going to see it flash red down here on the bottom. And when you see it do it at least twice, that's when you're going to re-click the program button. So you can see once, twice, we're going to click the program button right there. So we heard it beep. It's going to flash a couple different colors. And then you have to make sure that it ends with a rehanding process. And you'll wait for all the colors to finish. And at that point, you know that you have factory reset the Kwikset 888.